This is bentonite cat litter. This is tofu cat litter. Bentonite has strong clumping power, but it easily sticks to the bottom, while tofu litter clumps well. It also has good deodorizing effects. If you mix the two types of cat litter together, then add deodorizing agents, you get a cat litter that does not stick to the bottom, with excellent clumping and deodorizing abilities. The Camellia Flower Mixed Cat Litter. Even when poured out under strong light, no dust is visible. It can tightly wrap even soft stools. After cleaning, it can be flushed directly down the toilet. Cat toning families can really give it a try.